Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I got for you guys today is another Beauty Creations mystery box. I really like the one that we got last time, so I wanted to try out another one and see what we get this time. This is the $45 one. This is the big mystery box. So let's see. All right, so when you open it up, it has this really cute box with pineapples on it. And Bella Cosmetics, Bella and Beauty Creations are sister companies. So, and you get this little cute little sticker and you get a thank you. And all right, so first thing in here is from the Jenny Rivera line. I believe this highlighter, I already have it. This is from Bella Cosmetics and it's the Jenny Rivera line and it's Dama Divina. I already have this highlight, real pretty. I've used it before. It's a very pretty highlight, so I will be possibly giving this away in a future giveaway because I already have this one, so that's nice. Next thing in here is a Bella Cosmetics metallic shadow pot in the color Nightlife. So let's see this. Really pretty packaging, rose gold. Oh, that's a beautiful color. I don't want to take the top off, but I'm sure you can pick up the color there. Whoa, what a beautiful purple color. That is gorgeous. Definitely gorgeous. And then I got an eyebrow gel in medium brown, which is great because that's my color. So I do love eyebrow gels. Same beautiful packaging. This is like the mousse ones. I love this too. I'm not picky with eyebrow products, to be honest with you. I got another metallic shadow pot in the color Risk. All right. Whoa, beautiful color. Very beautiful. I'm telling you, their mystery boxes are amazing. Then I've got this Bella Sugar Cheeks. This is what? Fantasy is a necessary ingredient in living, but look at that packaging. All right, so this is, oh my gosh, look at this. Tell me that's not gorgeous. What is this? This is a blush? I don't know, it's something with the cheeks. Has to be blush. And it's a beautiful color, look at that. Oh my gosh. Love, like all their stuff is just like, I've got a couple of brushes from them. Wow. I don't know what I got. This is the shadow brush, like the packing one, RG222. I've got the 224. I also got 225. And I also got this one, which is 223. So 4 brushes and a palette. Guys, their mystery boxes are, and this is a 30 color eyeshadow palette. Are you kidding me? And it's called After Dark. OMG. Are you serious? Wow, guys, like look at those colors. Wow. Like, their mystery boxes are amazing. And I believe they have them every single month. It's like, you just want to keep getting these. Like, I'm ready for my next mystery box, to be honest with you, because this is amazing. Wow, what a great mystery box, guys. Oh my gosh. I am in shock. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think. I am gonna sit here and be in shock with all the products that I got in this mystery box, which I think they're all amazing. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave a link down below to their mystery boxes. They do have a smaller one, which is, I believe, $35, and that one is amazing too, because I also got one a really long time ago. I just never filmed the unboxing for it. So let me tell you guys, one day I'm probably gonna get like both of them and do like a versus and see which one is like the better value. All right, guys, so I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.